Lockdown has ended. Offices, shops are now open. People have started traveling and cab services are now open. In this condition, the danger come from here or can come from here. So how to protect in this condition? For now, the best solution is download Aarogya Setu app. How to download, how to set up, everything I will guide you in this video. So stay tuned to the end of the video.
Let's install it from Google Play Store. Open your Google Play Store. On the top, on the search bar, you need to search Aarogya Setu and you find the Aarogya Setu app. So in here you can see it is 4.5 star rating it is given. Now you can see more than 50 millions of download has already been. Now you download it, press the download button. Now you can see it is downloaded. Now it is installing. Now you open it. It is scanning for any viruses. No virus found. Now press open. Now you need to choose your language. I have chosen English. Then next, here it is saying that each one of us can help it. So how we can find the COVID-19 positive? So this app is using Bluetooth and location to find COVID-19 positive, guys. The app is telling you how to do self-isolate and how you can, with Aarogya Setu, you can protect yourself, your family and friend and our country. So this is the privacy policy terms and condition. You need to accept, you need to I agree, you need to press it, allow every time. Now you need to put your mobile number. Put your mobile number. I am putting it. Now press the submit button. A OTP you will receive, one time password. You need to enter that OTP and you are ready to go. Now you need to put your information, put your detail. I have put my detail, my name, my gender. You have to put your age, put your age. Finally, have you visited any country in the last days? If not, you press no. Now this is a self-assessment test. You need to complete this test. What you are feeling, how you feel, and what all symptom you have, and this way the app will verify whether you are affected in COVID-19 or not. So what symptom you find in your body, if you find anything, you put it and the app will guide you like this. The app will guide you and what all you need to do, whether you are in negative, whether you are in positive, whether you are in green, whether you are in orange, whether you are in red, everything it will tell. And if you are affected, what is the next procedure it will take. If you are not affected but chances to affect, it will also tell that. So you can see that I have done my self-assessment test and it is saying that your chances of COVID-19 infection is very low. Now what we can do, there is a detailed procedure available. Now you can see that in green, it is written, green background, it is written you are safe. Extra measure you need to do. If it is orange for yourself, what extra measure you need to do? If it is red, what extra measure you need to do? In here, by if your symptom is red, the number you provided, government will automatically call you. Government will automatically test your COVID-19. They will take your sample and they will test you. This app runs in the help of Bluetooth and GPS device. If you come nearer to any of the COVID-19 positive people, then it will notify you. As well as if you have already met someone that has received a COVID-19 positive, then you can also notify with the help of this app. And this app will also tell you how to do separation, how to do social distancing, how to self-assess. So you need to open this app every time. You need to do the self-assessment test so that it will guide you for your better future. It will protect you from COVID-19.
So in the video you have learnt about how to download Aarogya Setu app, how to use it, how to do self-assessment. By doing all of this, you can be protected in this danger condition. Hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this kind of IT educational video, you can watch my other videos in my YouTube channel also. Hope this video is helpful for you. Right now I am signing out from this video. We'll see you in this next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye.